Hey, how's it going? If my voice sounds bad, it's because I'm sick, so I apologize for that. But I just wanted to make a couple more videos. So chapter 2 withdraws in lesson 4. And disclaimer, I haven't done this yet, so I'm going to be doing it along with you. So let's see. In the previous chapter, we learned how to send ether to a contract. So what happens after you send it? After you send ether to a contract, it gets stored in the contract's Ethereum account. Mhm. Yeah, so the contract pretty much can hold money to like a wallet, and you need to put code in there to withdraw it. And if you don't put this code, it's pretty much stuck forever. And there's cases where this happens. There's all these like horror stories in the Web3 space where there's like money in the contract and they can't take it out, or the money's trapped because there's like a bad code in there. I think one of them was Akutars or Aku something, and it was like 34 million was stuck in the contract and they never got it out. So since Ethereum is decentralized, there's like literally nothing you could do. There's no customer service. You can't call Vitalik. So that's why testing is so important. And yeah, so function withdraw. Let's see, what is this saying? Function withdraw, it's only called by owner, address payable owner. So we're getting a variable named owner. It's a type address, it is payable. Okay, owner.transfer. So what this function does, it's gonna send the money to the owner of the contract. An owner, this is a function from the ownable library, which we should have somewhere here. Oh, yeah, it's right here. So that's how you can set an owner of something, of a contract. It's important to note that you cannot transfer either to an address unless the address is of type address payable. So that's why we made it address payable. The owner variable is of type uint160, meaning that we must explicitly cast it to address payable. And that's why we do this to cast it. Once you cast the address from uint160 to address payable, you can transfer either to the address using the transfer function. And this is how you get the balance. It's address of this dot balance. It's right here. So technically, if you want to change the amount, you can. This could be, if you want to only withdraw 0.1 ETH at a time, you put 0.1 ETH in here instead of the balance. Yeah, so you can use transfer in many ways. That's the designated word from Solidity to do that function. All right, so let's get to business. Create withdraw function here. Create a withdraw function or contract, which should be identical to the get paid example above. All right, well, just might as well copy it then. Price of Ethereum has gone up over 10x in the past year. So while 0.001 Ether is about $1 at the time of this writing, if it goes up 10x again, it'll be $10 and our game will be a lot more expensive. It's a good idea to create a function that allows us, as the owner of the contract, to set the level up fee. Create a function called set level up fee. It takes one argument, a uint, is external, and uses the modifier only owner. Function should set level up fee equal to fee. I think that's good. Let's test it.